Hello, Mas Maricel.
Yes,
First of
hello.
all, ano po ang support natin dito sa Owen?
Yes, of course, since I'm an ambassador of the SB Clinic, and Owen is actually a sister company of SB Clinic. So, um, since I'm an ambassador, and of course, I also am an advocate of men's health, because not just for women, also for men's dapat, they also need to take care of themselves. So, I'm here to support, of course, Doc Pareha, and of course, the whole team of Owen's health.
Importante ba ang health and wellness sa mga kagaya ng public figures?
Yes, and not only for public figures, and of course to everyone naman. And it's something that you can show the people that you're taking care of yourself. And of course, your loved ones also, they also need care. Not only yung hygiene, syempre yung outer din, kasi yung nakikita always ng tao.
Miss Maricel, marami na po curious kasi isa kayo sa mga active sa mga Senate spouses
Yes.
as representative ni Mr. Fulco. Ni Senator Fulco. Ano na po ang nangyari? May update po.
Actually, it's ongoing. It's actually, we're not all required to always go. But if we have the time, of course, we will go. But for the past 3 weeks, I have been going around the Philippines for the Hapon Challenge. So that's why I wasn't present. But I think January 15, they had an activity, and then I think today they also had an activity, but I'm here. So the next one would be in Capiz, and maybe I will be there. So it's actually depending on the schedule of the spouses. So it's still ongoing, even if a lot of things are happening now. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po observation ng Senate spouses.
Nagbago po ba I mean yung path? Kasi syempre nagbago yung president.
Not naman really, because the Senate spouses goal is to really just help the livelihood and everyone else, not just the women but also the families. So walang nagbago. It's just, of course, the president changes, but everything else is the same.
Affected po ba ang lahat? Hindi syempre, kasama kayo dun, family yung kasama nyo, kayo yung mga spouse, tapos family members. Syempre may mga controversy with each family.
Yes.
Nararamdaman niyo po ba yun sa kayo-kayo?
Naapektuhan ba yung mga
Actually, nakakatawa kasi when we do the Senate spouses activities, parang wala nangyayari. Because we're all focused on helping, and that's the main goal of the Senate spouses. So, we're okay. And people do comment na, baka kasi may issue yung, for example, my father and the father of one of the spouses, hindi kami
Pikado.
nagkaaway or nagtatalo pag nagkikita kami. Kasi we're outside of that issue, and we're not part of it, so we don't want to meddle with it.
Ma'am, dati kasi si Hart ang di ba? Kasi
Before, yes, si Miss Hart.
kamusta po kayo nila Hart? Ganun pa rin, ma'am?
We're still
Kasama?
okay. We still message from time to time, and even the other spouses naman, the ones that are really active back then when she was the president, and up until now, we all do have a group chat, the Senate spouses. So, lahat naman, pag may birthdays, yung each other, nagpapadayan kami sa group chat.
Pwede po dalhin mo kami doon sa eksena kasi syempre ang isip ng mga kababayan natin is parang sa teleserye.
Yes.
Na parang pag may problema yung isa, pag-chichismisan ng isa. May ganun ba sa inyo?
No, I think we're also busy with the things we're doing. So, we don't really talk about, may issue ngayon si Sen ganito, or parang baka hindi hiwalay na sila ni ganito. We don't really talk about it. We really focus on the next, for example, we finish this activity, ano nang plans natin the next few months, the next week. Kasi we plan to at least be active at least twice a month. May activity ang SSFI as much as we can. Kasi we also want it to be really active even if kunyari walang session ng Senate ngayon or there is. So tuloy-tuloy lang siya the whole year. It doesn't really stop.
Ma'am, okay. How's Senator Rafi as a father naman?
Senator Rafi is a good dad. Of course, he's really busy. Everyone else is busy in the family. Of course, my mom is also in politics, and also my brother as well. So, that's why we do our annual vacation, which is when we go to the US. Kasi yun yung pinaka-bonding namin. And as a father, regardless of what I'm doing, what my brother's doing, what my mom's doing, he's really supportive with everything. So even with the Senate spouses, whenever I tell him, oh, Papa, pupunta ako sa ganito and we need a donation to help, he's open to what I'm gonna decide to because I'm the one who goes to the Senate spouses. So very supportive siya, even to my brother, to my mom. Kahit busy sila lahat, we don't get to see each other normally here in Manila, but very supportive sila.
Ma'am, kasi ma'am, we all know na nagkakaroon ngayon ng siguro ng mga Tulfo brothers eh. How do you handle ko? Di ba naapektuhan doon, ma'am?
We don't really meddle with our personal issues, even with my dad and his brothers. We let him decide on what he wants to do. So, if he wants to stay silent, we just support him on what he wants. And even my other titos, we don't really touch it because it's a family matter. We're family, yes, but it's something na I think they can handle on their own.
Pero nakausap po si Sir Ben po ba ang nakatampuan
Yes.
niya? Nakaka-text niyo po ba?
We're still in good terms. We didn't, well, me, I don't really have something with him. So we just let our uncles and of course my dad do their own thing. Diba?
Miss Vincent, ano lang, kasi syempre, na-mention mo yung mga bakasyon, yung once a year, annual vacations. These mga nakaraang mga months, mahirap po bang gumalaw? Kasi syempre, as a political plan, mahirap po bang gumalaw ng parang konting bakasyon mo, konting ganito, may masasabi ka mga. How do you handle this?
Actually, like what I've always said, even before my family came into politics and even before I became a vlogger, I would always say that whatever you are, just stay as is. And even before we went into politics, we were always like that. We go to the US once a year. Kasi even before, hindi pa busy, talagang hindi kami nakikita talaga sa Manila. We do, but every Mother's Day, birthday ko, Father's Day. So, you know, it's something na doon lang kami para kaming Pinoy Big Brother na nakukulong sa bahay. Tapos, doon lang. Doon kami nagbabonding for a month. So, hindi kami nahirapan gumalaw because that's who we really are. Who we really are. And even up until now, we still do the same things that we do even before. So, for the people who comment na, oh, alam mo yun, parang nag-iba yung lifestyle, we don't really get hurt because it's something na we didn't really even notice. Kasi we were the same people. It's just that maybe yung spotlight kasi is with us now more. Kaya nasasabi nila. But really, it's not something that we worry about so much.
Ma'am, what is your ano lang? Anong tingin mo pag sinabing Nepo baby?
Do you consider yourself as a nepo baby?
Well, no. Kasi even before, I really like the shop. I really like fashion. I don't do fashion na I attend fashion week, ganyan. But I really, that's my stress, outlet. So, like I said, I don't need to explain to people why I do it, why I buy it, kung kasya ba yan sa income ko. Because even if they check few years back and even long time ago, I already buy the things.
Nagbago ba yung definition ng nepo baby? Kasi as anak ni Mr. Tulfo, syempre may pangalan na si Sir Rafi even before. Tapos, doing your own, mahirap ba siya?
Yes, in the start because I really told my dad na, Pa, I really want to detach. I don't want to be labeled as anak ng senator lang. So, that's why I started vlogging. And then now, I'm known to be the Hakot Queen, which is yung Hakot Challenge nga. And then, like I said, I just finished the 14 provinces in collaboration with my dad and my mom then. So, it's really a humbling experience because people know me as the Hakot Queen, not the senator's daughter. Of course, may mga ibang, syempre, hindi naman maalis sa isipan nila na, anak ni Senator Rafi. But, you know, they know me more as, you know, when's the next Hakot Challenge, saan po yung susunod yung destination. So, yes, ever since I started it, and it was actually accidental na mabuo yung Hakot Challenge idea. And then I think my dad was also shocked na a lot of his friends also watch Hakot Challenge, and then a lot of them are inviting me to do the Hakot Challenge. So it also makes him proud na before kasi it's usually nanonood ako ng show mo, Wanted Sarado. Now, I also watch your daughter. So he feels really proud in his own way. Kaya like he supports some of the Hakot Challenge. Like now, yung 14 days, sunod-sunod. He really wanted that when we were in the US and we were talking about it, and he said he would really support all the way hanggang ako na yung tumigil. So, he's really a supportive dad, and even the whole family naman. So like my brother, he went into Cagayan de Oro because his wife is from there. So, it's fun to see people also that we give a big help kahit ako lang yung nakikita nila. And even the medical missions that I also had under the office of my dad. So there's a lot of things that we focus on more than the issues that were painted on us.
Okay, last na lang, as a social media content creator ka na. So, syempre yun na yung path ng
Yes.
career mo.